Thursday, March 22nd, Point Lookout, 2018. Hopefully this is our last snowstorm, but usually in April it always seems to snow also. Roads are pretty clear thanks to the town of Hempstead. They did a good job. They were up all night and early this morning cleaning it up. We got probably at least a foot of snow. The deli is open. Everybody's shoveling out. I have the red light here. Of course, you got Hug Real Estate, the #1 broker in Point Lookout for sales and rentals. School buses are still coming in, but most schools are closed. The gas station is open. There's a young man working his way through college, shoveling snow. Mona Lisa, the bank is open. Mona Lisa is open. The grocery store I hear is going to be opening very soon, hopefully. You see there's a lot of snow. It's a heavy snow also. Hennigan's, they're not open right now, it's too early. McDonald Plumbing, he's always open. Drugstore is closed. The Point Ale House is open. And JoJo Apples, they're open also for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So we got a pretty good snowfall. Then you got Zap My Tax. If you want to lower your taxes, Zap My Tax. The fire department. Salt Air. Looks like they're closed today. There's a sign on the door that says closed due to snow. But it's a real heavy snowfall. The post office looks like it may be open. Yeah, its lights are on. And we got a bus coming through town. So basically it was a good snow. It was beautiful last night, snowing like 4 or 5 inches an hour. And all the trees are weighed down from the snow and everything. So I'm down at the park here. I'm gonna turn around. So I think I have the day off. Nobody really likes to come around when it's snowing. Alright, so it's Hug Real Estate video. All you snowbirds, you missed this again. Hug Real Estate, www.hugrealestate.com. Thank you for looking.